Which bone is located in the upper arm between the shoulder and the elbow? Humerus. What is the name of the bone that forms the forehead? Frontal bone. What is the main function of the esophagus? Carries food to stomach. How many bones are in a typical human hand, including the wrist? 27. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? Liver. Which part of the eye is responsible for detecting light and color? Retina. Which organ in the body cleans waste from the blood and helps control blood pressure? Kidneys. Which vitamin is important for strong bones and is often absorbed from sunlight? Vitamin D. Which organ is primarily responsible for digesting food using strong acids? Stomach. What connects bones to bones at joints? Ligaments. Which blood component helps the body stop bleeding by forming clots? Platelets. Which part of the brain is responsible for complex thoughts, memory, and language? Cerebrum. What is the soft inner part of a tooth that contains nerves and blood vessels? Pulp. Which organ filters old blood cells and stores blood? Spleen. What is the scientific study of the human body's structure called? Anatomy. Which part of the nervous system controls involuntary actions like breathing and heart rate? Brainstem. Which type of muscles are found in the walls of internal organs like the stomach and intestines? Smooth muscles. Which type of receptor in the skin detects pressure, vibration, and texture? Mechanoreceptors. What is the plural form of the word foot? Feet. Which organ produces insulin to regulate blood sugar? Pancreas. Which vitamin is crucial for boosting the immune system and healing wounds? Vitamin C. Which type of nutrient is the body's main source of long-term stored energy? Fats. What are the flexible tissues that cover the ends of bones at joints? Cartilage. Which organ stores urine before it is released from the body? Bladder. What is the storage form of glucose in the liver and muscles? Glycogen. What is the name of the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. Which vitamin is essential for vision and skin health? Vitamin A. What are the tiny air sacs in the lungs where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged? Alveoli. How many chambers does the human heart have? 4. Which layer of the skin contains blood vessels, nerves, and hair follicles? Dermis. Which sense allows us to detect hot, cold, and pain? Touch. Which gland produces growth hormone? Pituitary gland. Which type of blood cells are part of the body's immune system? White blood cells. What is the clear outer layer at the front of the eye that helps focus light? Cornea. Which component of blood is mostly water and carries nutrients, hormones, and waste? Plasma. What is the name of the tube that connects the middle ear to the back of the nose? Eustachian tube. How many pairs of cranial nerves originate from the brain? 12 pairs. Which part of the brain controls emotions, motivation, and memory formation? Limbic system. What is the process of breaking down food into smaller molecules for the body to use? Digestion. Which large molecule carries genetic information in the cell? DNA.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.